who is watching this particular lecture. My name is Kungal Lekchu, and today we're gonna be starting with a chapter from the organic chemistry of class 12 that is called Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. So, uh, this video is especially for the Tibetan students who are facing some problems in the concepts of chemistry as well as biology. So, for the better understanding, we'll be teaching in both English as well as Tibetan. So, let's start. The Lozin dinala, hello alkanes and hello alkenes lagidwa. The dinala, Mozuki Jayazo, Kazuosina, topic Kendomni, not to see you. First of all, we are going to study about preparation and chemical properties of haloalkanes. Now, should you charge it? These are preparation and chemical properties of haloarenes. These are electrophilic ring substitution, that is also benzene ring calcium. These are polyhalogen compounds. Polyhalogen nana organic compounds containing more than one halogen groups. So these are like this. That these are also the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution, SN1, SN2. You may have studied that in your classes. So the also like that. Then lastly also the optical isomerism. Oh yeah. Then also the preparation of haloalkanes. Tadinala, haloalkanes la, so it means how much okay, haloalkanes la means how much alkyl halide. Okay, haloalkanes la, so the alkyl halide na lagi hote. So dinala, haloalkanes na to are X group la, so ki haloalkanes lagi hote. Okay, now within haloalkanes, so the types of your haloalkane ki primary, secondary, and tertiary. So whenever you see such structure, RX ki form na thona, where you can see only one R chit hoye na, then also khalai 1 degree alkyl halide, that is primary alkyl halide. This gel also na, you see end structure ki thona R2X, then also khalai secondary. Chikko also R3X thona, and then also khalai tertiary alkyl halide like it. So R2 nana khalai central carbon chingole, then also branch need ke then also the branch sum. For example, then also the carbon chik branch sum plus OH group. So the tertiary che, then the carbon atom center carbon atom check, then the branch need plus OH group. So this is secondary. Okay, you just have to memorize. You should know what primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol is. Then is it. The preparation of haloalkanes and from alcohols. Okay. Now alcohols first alcohol nitrate the chemical and you get the same product. The with halogen and acids, that is HX. Okay. Once the halogen acid HF, HCl, HBr, and HI. The reaction that is HCl and HBr because of their moderate reactivity. Okay. Fluorine the least reactive with HI the most reactive with also control reaction. So best option is HCl and HBr. Alcohol sulfonation the calcium with this exam the term the CH3CH2OH. First primary alcohol with HCl in the presence of ZnCl2. HCl and ZnCl2 together are known as Lucas reagent. Okay, Lucas reagent lagide. Here ZnCl2 acts as a catalyst. The Dini reaction, what happens is Cl attaches to CH3CH2 and OH goes to H and releases water. What is a secondary alcohol will give you secondary alcohol, primary tertiary the dinala also the reactivity first the tertiary. Okay, most reactive is tertiary. Okay, when you are taking tertiary alcohol and reacting it with HCl and HBr, the reactivity is highest, followed by secondary and lastly primary alcohol. Okay, now this particular reaction, the reaction is now the chemical test form okay, chemical test form in order to distinguish between primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Okay, and there are also the Lucas reagent test because we are using Lucas reagent for that. Okay, last reactivity the tertiary la marshal this in tertiary the acyl reaction na also the ZnCl2 the picture tambu male because reactivity is high nyam do they are form chasa so the product the form chani nyam also da also the experiment the chidi observation khai thongbo desina turgidity or you can say effervescence okay effervescence and effervescence or you can say turbulence turbulence or effervescence bubbles type okay now in case of tertiary effervescence will be produced immediately okay or quickly in case of tertiary second after 5 minutes of the reaction now also the effervescence bubbles is also observed primary will not show okay primary will not show any kind of effervescence because its reactivity is lowest got it then you will decode from alcohols now they belong is subtopic with PCl5 and PCl3 dingo down to the HX them to react chiba the alcohol react with PCl5 them do the also the primary secondary khaide na degree to make it easy make it how primary link no they are secondary them to china degree product secondary degree the alcohol the PCl5 na react china product ta kya ha bodu alcohol halide e bache the changma la chikole the side product dikhale phosphorus oxychloride okay POCl3 plus HCl which is a gas got it new the CH3 CH2 or Cl3 the phosphorus pentachloride phosphorus trichloride in reaction now you are getting phosphorus acid okay phosphorus acid not phosphoric acid PO4 this is your H3PO3 phosphorus acid and when you balance the reaction this is how it looks okay so also the side product equals what main product the sound like what is that the calcium alcohols now C is very important we are reacting alcohols with SOCl2 also thionyl chloride okay thionyl chloride SOCl2 alcohol this SOCl2 in the reaction also alcohol plus SO2 gas and HCl gas are the byproducts or side products. Now you might be wondering why it is so important. The important question is now we are getting pure alcohol halide, pure question because the reaction side products mixed liquid in the mixture also extract it is going to side product gas. The gas the main product can be extracted very easily. So that's why we are getting pure chloride. So that's why you can say this reaction is very important because we are getting pure alkyl halide or haloalkane. From alkenes by substitution. Alkane how methane this single bonded hydrocarbons. Single bonded hydrocarbons like methane, ethane, methane stepwise substitution take place. Chlorine of the reaction CH2Cl, the dilam the walasha, CH2Cl2 the substitution channel. Okay, H Cl and this is called chloroform. This is a polyhalogen compound and fusion. Okay. Now then lastly also the main product is CCl4. Okay, stepwise manner. In each step you have to remove one hydrogen and add one chlorine, and it is a substitution or it is a replacement reaction. Okay. Then alkene form alkene by addition reaction. Now alkene means what? Double bonded hydrocarbons. Double bonding. For example, ethene layer. If I react in HBr, okay, or HCl, reactions from HBr and HCl. If you react it with HBr, what you are getting? CH3, CH2, Br. Very easy. Hydrogen will be added, Br will also be added. Okay, that's why it's called addition. But here you can see this particular compound is the compound symmetrical because in a double bond ki equal carbon ki thang this is also the last symmetrical alkene But what happens when we take unsymmetrical alkene? जैसे unsymmetrical alkene ने ना क्या चाहिए? The unsymmetrical alkene ने ना HBr ने तो ना reaction हमने HCl खरी ने ना दियो कि दिन चिक ने चुना दियो कैसे क्या HBr ने reaction ना Markovnikov rule and name reaction theory. Okay, something, some very important rules. The rule the jetani क्या कि ब्यादी का बोले. Okay, that the rule the खला क्यों ना whenever you take an alkene, unsymmetrical alkene नहीं, unsymmetrical alkene देता है. देखिए ये छोड़ा ये दूसरे छोड़ा चेक दो काल. So unsymmetrical छा So unsymmetrical alkene this law देखा है छियो ना. The law the state culture ना the law states that the halide group, or you can say the bromide in this case, they are halide vanadine. Halide group will attach to that carbon which has lowest number of hydrogen. Adinata hydrogen no should call it chemo hydrogen chicken chicken. So Br the call attached to this carbon. Okay, Br the so and HD sheba HD call attached to the next carbon. Next hydrogen just BRD chemo and this rule is called Markovnikov rule or Markovnikov rule. Very important. Okay, the rule the break and share break and share if the same reaction takes place in the presence of peroxide. Peroxide की case करना नहीं चाहता. Peroxide in the sense कि hydrogen peroxide या में ना organic peroxide like benzoyl peroxide C6H5CO whole twice O2 या में ना H2O2 दी कहीं चिक ने medium देना रखे से reaction छना Markovnikov rule is broken. Okay, Markovnikov rule the follow छागी होगा. ता देना ना इस केस में क्या है ना ता दी ऐने छना ऐने Markovnikov rule की product चिक रही है देगी next carbon ना मतलब कि broken दी क्या है. Okay. Patient nanti kima laga so di carbon na. Ta peroxide ditengi shift chadu bole by one step. So Br the next carbon dena Br jaise gede hydrogen ta thengi dena na jaswa. So this is what we call anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, anti and since we are taking peroxide, it's also called peroxide effect, and this effect was studied by a scientist called Kalash. That's why it's called Kalash effect expert. Okay, there. Now, moving on to the fourth subtopic, we have preparation by halogen exchange method. Very important, okay? Now, also name reaction, soon doses the Lucas reagent test is a name reaction, Markovnikov rule is also a name reaction, anti-Mark is also a name reaction, okay? Soon doses the name reaction Shivadi, the Finkelstein reaction. Now, mainly how would halogen exchange means somewhat like substitution is taken. The substitution take place here by chukre. The can be this side la alkyl halide tikne okay. The can be some CO. So alkyl halide produce CO. Alkyl halide na kya question नहीं क्यों? तो दोस्तों ना तो कल इंग्लिश ना the method ना reactants हमारा खरे से ना R Cl था R Br okay. Reactant the R Cl the R Br the product भी होगा the R I the reaction ना तो okay, so the reaction are the main not to jewelry. NaI, sodium iodide in the presence of acetone. So the presence the CH3CH2Cl yamna Br reaction iodide chlorine sudeshigre. Very easy. Okay, substitution. So CH3CH2I, CH3CH2I plus NaCl is the byproduct. So Finkelstein reaction will produce Ri. Okay, alkyl iodide. Now, Schwarz reaction, that's the iodide is the same one. The Schwarz reaction is alkyl fluoride. Okay, Schwarz reaction is alkyl fluoride. CH3CH2 Cl lenane Br lenane क्या बोलूँ मैं? The कहीं reaction होती है जो silver fluoride में reaction होती you will get CH3CH2F plus AgBr. Now, this reaction is also very important because a question has been asked. I asked you, which of the following in MCQ, which of the following method is best for the preparation of alkyl fluoride lana? Schwarz reaction thonga the khana okay? Why? Because in best method we are getting pure product. Pure product. In case pure product byproduct sama gas pure product mainly pure as well. And the case side product PPT Okay, silver bromide is a PPT. Kalau down to the wala mixed chagi mane wa kalau the sedimentation chadu or filtration hoता wala का chadu बोले precipitate chadu बोले. Okay, PPT or hard बोले mixed thing mane. The chana the mixture that has also the pure alkyl chloride that बोले. That's why salt reaction is very important. Now name reaction is the last method of preparation of haloalkanes that is in your syllabus is from silver salt of acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid की silver salt pollution अपने होते silver salt silver की salt हंडी acetic acid so CH3COO Ag will okay main लिखा बोल दो bodonine means bromine Br2 plus D in the presence of carbon tetrachloride will give you क्या देना चाहिए चुप बोलना carbon चिना चाहिए distribute okay sorry CH3 CH3Br okay this is CH3Br okay you are getting CH3Br okay here one carbon is reduced why because one carbon is removed in the form of CO2 okay plus AgBr is your side product then you have also the berylline unstable reaction so since CO2 is removed sometimes it is also called decarboxylation because D means to remove carboxylation means CO2 so we are removing CO2. I hope you have understood the concepts very well. So this is the end of the topic, that is preparation of haloalkanes.